Welcome to this amazing day. It is a great time to be a Griffin. This is the 100th anniversary of this institution. We're about to break ground or break a wall on a $4.5 million state-of-the-art nursing facility here. 3, 2, 1.
Chester Hill College School of Nursing is about to begin. So we're all here in a special time. And to that end, I'm honored to present a check with, and I want to ask the next speaker, Senator Art Haywood, to come up and join me. We worked to get a check for $400,000 from the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. And here it is.
We have a shortage of people who will uplift the dignity of others in our nation. And that's why I cannot be happier to see that this nursing program is here in the district and will launch individuals like you, as well as class after class after class of new nurses.
We have here today the first Chestnut Hill Nursing Griffins. Yay. Like the Griffin, they will become healthcare leaders, fearsome warriors for patient advocacy, guardians of health.